How to fix failed to fetch data Worldcoin. So you can find it by going over right here to your Play Store and searching right here for the World app. You can find it by going over into your part or into your search bar and searching in here for that. So once you have it onto the World app, you can find it right here and make sure to open it directly from there. So I have my World app already installed. You can find it right here directly into your actual phone. So technically, we have it right here onto your World app. And if you're having some problems fetching data on your coin, you can find it directly from there. So if you don't have access to it, you need to make sure that you're actually get verified. So you can claim this particular World coin. So to get verified, you can do so by looking for any orb near you. So you can find it by doing and searching it right here. Click on the verify now. You can verify credential or verify uniqueness by contacting support and looking here for the orb available or the nearest on your location. There are actually some properties or events that actually using that, so you can head over and do so from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.